Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit using Dzine AI. So you can either start from an image or create a new project. I'm just going to drag an image here. Just going to wait for this to load. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, there we go. Then you're going to select your picture. And you're going to basically, hold on, where's the, okay, image to image. Here, you can select nano banana. Then you're going to type in your prompt for the image. I'll just do this. Transform. Do I have enough credits? Yes. Oh, no, I don't. But, oh, okay, it's a premium one. So let's see if I do another, where is that image to image? Here it is. So I cannot use Nano Banana for now, but you're just going to type in that prompt and you are able to generate it if you do have the like subscription to use Nano Banana. I'm sure there's other styles you can choose from, but these are premium. If this one's this could also be, okay, this one's not premium. So if you use the Dzine, you can generate it, but I think it's not going to be that accurate. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can edit photos here. You can see the image later. They have 4 options here. You can also adjust the style intensity, the structure match, color match, face match. I probably should have enabled this, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.